Hi, so my name's Anna. I'm from TUXEDO Distributors. We have been partnering up with JMC for about how many years now?
About 15 years now.
15 years, yeah. So we're an automotive lift company. We sell everything from paint booths, mobile column lifts, two-post lifts, storage lifts, everything that you need for your shop. We have it, and we have most of it in stock and ready to ship.
And tell us, how has it been working with us?
Oh, we love working with JMC. So I am in sales now, but I used to be in customer care. And I used to be in charge of handling JMC, helping them with freight quotes, pricing, availability. Their team is so knowledgeable and friendly. And it's like you're talking to a friend when they call you on the phone, and we really get to build that relationship and that friendship.
Thank you. And tell us, where can you find all of the Tuxedo Ideal products? And now, you know what? Tell me about M1M that you guys just acquired for a spray booth company.
Yeah, so we acquired a paint spray booth company in North Carolina. They're in Reidsville. They do custom paint booths, and now we are going to offer that to all of our product line. So if you're in need of a custom paint booth, reach out to Juan at JMC, and we'll be able to get you all the information that you need.
Thank you, Anna. I appreciate it.
Thank you, Juan.